muna. 1, 2, 3, go. Ulit. Huwag ka mag-sound. 1, 2, 3, go. Sarap, Selena. Ay. Hello! Last day na po namin and we're done.
Ayun, may nakakonect na nga eh.
Ayun internet na.
Parihatod ka.
We are going to make a questionnaire, food model, consent form. Galing po kami sa palengke. Hello. Data gathering day 2.
Data gathering girl is.
We're in Tadlac and we're lost. Pero kaya naman, okay lang. Looking for respondents. Done with 5 respondents. Aakyat na kami. Teka. Go, Selena. Pagod. Go lang. For the thesis. Sige, diretso ka na. I feel like, Kung Fu Panda. Taas mo. Hi guys, say hi to my vlog. Hello, future Liza and future Selena. Kamusta ang defense?
Okay lang. Ako naman nag-defense.
Kamusta kaya ang defense? After ng defense nyo, okay pa ba kayo? Kasi
Are we
ngayon,
happy?
okay pa rin kami. Kahit hindi pa nagde-defense, okay. Feel namin kaya nyo yan.
Hindi ready, go.
Oo. Kaya yan. Ready na siya. Ready na. Hi everyone. It is 9 o'clock and nakasked po kami ni Selena today ng 9 a.m. and then 3 other people p.m. But then, nagka-issue po sa sked.
Sked na si Ma'am. May alam.
So, in-expect namin na may FT na kasama kami. Pero wala, kami lang. Empty. Empty. Mrs. Ayan na si Ma'am.